Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rashida from Wigs, Braids and Things. Today we're going to do a closure replacement. This one is a tutorial. So we're going to get a closure looking like this and we're going to turn it into this. So make sure you stay tuned in order to see how I've done this. Alright, so this is the wig that we will be using to work on today. As you can see that there are some holes in the lace. The lace is actually darkened over time, which can happen. I use a razor blade instead of scissors because I feel like it's more efficient, it's just more quicker, and you avoid cutting the actual wig cap that you're going to need to use. So as you can see, I've turned the wig upside down. I've secured it in place so that I'm able to take the closure away from the wig. Again, some barbers and some hairdressers use this razor blade technique. Again, it's so much more better. Just be careful because you can actually hurt yourself. So be careful how you're holding the blade. What we're going to do, we're going to line the wig on the mannequin head as if there was a closure. So you need to pretend that there is a closure in place. This helps you to replace the closure once you are ready to sew the brand new closure on. You're going to take some pins and making sure that you keep this exact shape in place. Here's me just demonstrating what it should look like once you have lined your closure up with the arch on your wig. Again, you're going to need to use some more pins to make sure you secure this, because this is what we're going to be sewing onto the brand new wig. Again, this closure is customized already. I've got some other videos on how to customize your frontal. Again, you can use that same frontal video to customize your lace closure. So you need to make sure that your closure is already customized prior to doing this. So this is exactly what your closure should look like on your old wig. When you are sewing the closure onto your old wig, you need to start from the middle, which is where I've pointed, and then you need to make your way down. So it can be either end. You wouldn't do from left to right. You wouldn't do from the hairline, so the right side of the hairline to the left side of the hairline, or the left side of the hairline to the right side of the hairline, because what it can actually do is shift. The closure can shift, and then you'd have to do it all over again, and ain't nobody got time for that. So you're going to make sure you're just doing it from the middle to the right side and the middle to the left side. doesn't that look so nice? You'd actually never know that it was a really old wig. Have you noticed that the lace is light? So again, over time it can darken. You know, this can be due to sweat or foundation or anything else. So I'm just styling the wig from now on at this point, really. So this red bottle here is the lovely heat protector. It's very important that you use this before you apply any sort of heat to your hair. Even your natural hair, you should be using heat protectors. Just brushing that through. I'm gonna take our lovely hot comb and we're just gonna sleek the edges. Just gonna straighten it and flatten it, making sure that it looks good. Gonna take our Remington straighteners. Again, you don't have to use Remingtons, but this is what I had at the time, so yeah, Remingtons it is. It's not that bad. I think Remingtons are all right. Yeah, I think it's all right to use, really. So yeah, we're just straightening through the wig, just making it look pretty again, brand new for the client. This is exactly what she wanted. Guys, I'm telling you, olive oil mousse is my favorite mousse out of all the ones that I've tried. I just think it's so thick, you know, when you want to make baby hairs or you just want to slick down the flyaways. Like, it's just perfect and it dries really quickly, so you wouldn't really be going out with wet hair. But yeah, you just want to use this to, again, just sort out those flyaways, because you don't want to wear wigs with flyaways. Yeah, just keep doing that until you're quite happy with how the wig looks. Isn't she lovely? Just look, she just looks brand new all over again. You'd never know that she was once an old wig. Yeah, so again, guys, it's not complicated to do closure replacements. It's very fidgety in terms of lining the, you know, the new closures with the old wig. But yeah, guys, again, you know, thank you so much for watching. We do appreciate every single one of you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. So make sure you stay tuned for our next video. Bye.